Okay, pretty much unobtainable from Ford today. If you'd like to order one of these, you'll be waiting a long time. This is the 2024 on a 74 registration Ford Ranger MSRT. 3-litre diesel, 240 brake horsepower, and this is in the Carbonised Grey Metallic. First one we've had, really impressed. Looks fantastic with the MSRT styling. Just going to give you a quick walk around video. This is a delivery mileage vehicle. Got 290 miles, I think, on the speedo. And looks fantastic with them LED headlamps there. Carbonised grey, really good specification on this one, with some added extras as well. So full replacement bumper on the MSRT with this really nice honeycomb grille. It's got wider wings. 21-inch diamond cut alloy wheels in a satin black. And then we've got gloss black wing mirrors, door handles. These moulded side skirts that run into the vents in the wings. And then the larger rear wings. Privacy glass to the rear windows. Little spoiler on the top there. Now you can see this one's got the electric roller shutter. These can be operated 3 ways. I've got the key in my hand now. Double press on the button, that will start rolling back. And this one's got the power pack, so as well as the key, you've also got the button in the corner there to roll the shutter back. You've also got 12 volt and a domestic 3-pin socket. Part of the technology pack gives you the detachable rear tow bar. These look great at the rear. So we've got a ducktail spoiler onto the tailgate there, which then moulds into the wider wings. LED rear tail lights, and this full back diffuser, again with the honeycomb. Got the MSRT logo in the centre there. All in gloss black. MSRT 3D badging in the corner. I think carbonised grey is probably the nicest colour on one of these. There's some really bright blues out there, but this just looks nice and subtle. You look inside, we've got the high back seats with the blue stitching, suede in the centres with the MSRT logo. MSRT steering wheel with the blue 12 o'clock marker, all the blue stitching. The attention to detail we've put into these is really impressive. Little armrest in the back. You've got 2 power points there at the rear as well. MSRT plaque in the centre. 10-speed automatic, 3-litre diesel. Blue stitch into the armrest lid there. Driving mode, switchable 4-wheel drive. Large 12-inch display. And now this got the tech pack on it, so we've got the wireless phone charging pad, Bang & Olufsen audio, and then you've got everything else the Ranger has. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, wireless CarPlay, push button start. There's not really much more you need in terms of specification than what's on one of these, but them seats are fantastic. Puddle lamps to the wing mirrors as well. And with the daytime running lights on there at the front. So this one is in stock now, it's ready to go, it's available. There's no waiting times. We have prices vehicle on the money today to sell. On our website there's 20 plus photos, the full specification, all the details on there. www.ma-sv.co.uk. If interested, please give me a call, 0777 111 2040. I'm sure this one will not hang around for long. Thank you for watching.